Every morning, before the fiber optic technicians at TechMinds Technologies go to their various job sites, they hold what they call a toolbox talk, TBT in short. The TBT is a short meeting to discuss health and safety risks associated with their tasks, how to address them, and ways to keep them safe.
On site, we've got hazards that may affect us. That is like electricity, because we install our cables on the OHPL, that is electrical structures, that is from Kenya Power. So the hazards are maybe electricity falling from height, because we do install it on the poles, maybe moving vehicles because it's along the road, maybe insects.
These safety processes have been digitized through an app called Uzima. The app is designed to create a safer workplace for Safaricom staff and its subcontractors by automating everyday manual and repetitive tasks to enhance health and safety management.
When we come to the parade, to the TBT, we document everything that we do. That includes taking pictures to make sure that everyone is in PPE, because we also have to do the journey management. That is where you input the car you're using, the mileage, so just to make sure the car you're using to come to site is in good condition and it's documented. We have those EHS files that we feel, so we have all of that again we do it in Uzima daily, just again for documentation purposes.
You can record observations that you see on site, maybe the hazards. You can even stop working through the Uzima app. For instance, this area you have like gunshots and you can stop the work, knowing that the company will support you in that.
The health and safety permit to work tickets, which were previously manual, have also migrated to the app. This means that when supervisors log into the app, they can see which technician is working, where they are working, whether they are qualified for that particular job, and when they will stop working.
Anything manual is very tiresome and time-consuming, because you have to print the papers. If you don't have the papers, you have to call back in office. Can you send me the template? Then look for cybers. You don't have a cyber maybe around the place you're installing the fibers. So it was time-consuming and even hectic.
Near-miss reporting is also done on the app, where slips and trips, equipment failure, hazardous materials or near injuries are recorded.
When you have a near miss, first we stop the work and also evaluate what caused the near miss. So for example, maybe it was a rotten pole, for example. So with that now, we stop the work there. Then we inform the health and safety manager and also the project team. So they will again come and join me in evaluating the situation. And after we have found the solution, maybe planting another pole, I go back and take the after photos to show that I've eliminated the cause of the near miss. I share again the photo and then we close on that.
The Uzima application is also accessible to the last mile worker. It does not incur charges to use and it can operate in offline mode.
We have offline mode where the technician is able to upload all the documentation that is required, and when network resumes, then the app is able to upload that automatically. So it ensures that the technician is able to do their work even when there's a network outage, and even when they don't have bundles, the app is zero rated for that.
Since the application went live in January 2023, it has recorded 5,000 safety observations across Safaricom staff and its partners.
Everyone has a risk profile in Uzima. Okay? So what that means is my profile and probably a technician's profile or someone who works at heights have different profiles depending on the work that we do. So on Uzima, the first step is you upload your certification. So whether you are a rigger who works at height, whether you're a fleet driver, you upload your certification, and the app basically categorizes your risk profile, either you're high risk, medium risk, or low risk. Yeah. So that's the first step. So once you update your profile, then you're able to report safety observations that you find on site. So whether it's here at the office, whether someone has spilled something, You're able to quickly log in with your Safaricom credentials, report the observation, and that observation immediately goes to the engineer in charge of the site.
Health and safety at work are going digital to make workspaces safer, smarter, and more efficient. With real-time hazard reporting and automated compliance, the Uzima application is shaking things up as it drives a proactive safety culture.
We are at about 70% registration, meaning that we still have 30% of our work as Safaricom being conducted either without a permit to work or having a technician that's not registered on Uzima. So perfect would be to have 100% of all our technicians, of all our work as Safaricom being posted on the Uzima app. And of course, leveraging on AI to see how we can build on the capabilities of the app to ensure that we make it more efficient, more smart, so that we also make smarter decisions.